दुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत थे।
Happy birthday to my darling daughter Shreya. I'm so proud of you. You bring fun, laughter, and joy into my life. Keep chasing your dreams and spreading happiness around. Have a great and a happy life ahead with Zahan. Love you loads.
Hi Shreya, a very happy birthday to my sweet little darling Shreya. You're the life of our home. Happiness is because of you, darling. You are the ronak of our home. I wish you a very, very happy life with Zahan. He's a very nice boy, and you and Zahan make a perfect couple. Babaji bless you always. Love you, my darling. Love you. God bless you.
Hi Shreya, happy birthday beta. Stay happy and blessed with Zen. God bless you.
Happy birthday Shreya. I wish you have a superb day and a superb year. I know this is the birthday of your life because you've met Zahan now, and hopefully every year gets better than the previous. And I wish you both a very happy life together, and keep being as crazy as you are. Party like mad, enjoy, have fun, work hard, and I'm always there with you, and have a superb year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shreya Masi. Happy birthday to you. Say. To me, to Shreya Masi.
Shreya
Say,
Masi.
God bless you.
May God
Bless you. Shreya, we're gonna see you soon. Happy birthday.
lots of love.
Lots of love.
Mwah. Bye.
Give kissy. Yeah.
Happy birthday to my new sister, someone I'm very lucky to have found in my life. I can't ever forget when we met for the first time and you made me feel so comfortable. Thank you for always third wheeling with us, and I can't tell you how happy it makes me to see you with Jiju when you're both looking into each other's eyes or holding hands. I don't know, it makes me so happy to see you both like that. I wish you all the love and luck in the world, and I really hope both of us get closer and closer and become best friends more than sisters.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your.
Happy birthday, Shreya. So I think if I have to give our friendship a name, it's definitely going to be like the Tom and Jerry relationship, because we fight a lot, so we still can't live without each other. I'm very grateful to have had you as a friend back in school for all the happy memories that we've shared. And right now I just want you to know that you're very special, so always remember that. And what I love most about our friendship is that we are not like the mainstream best friends who communicate every single day, and we have that ability to start off from wherever we've left. And now that you'll be starting your new journey, I'm going to be sending just lots and lots of happy and positive vibes your way, and lots of joy, because you truly deserve it. I'll always be a call away, and remember that I love you. And take care, and see you tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Shreya. Hope you have the most amazing day ever. I love you so much. You've been my closest and my oldest friend. I've known you since we were both 6 years old, and I love you so much. And I think the one thing that comes to my mind when I think of you is that you are my partner in crime. I think every little mischief that we've ever done, we've done together. Like every little prank, you're like my crazy, crazy, crazy friend. And the best part is that nothing's changed between us. You're just the same person, and I love you, love you, love you for that. And you're going to start this new phase in your life with Zehen, and I hope that it's the most beautiful time of your life, and I hope that your life ahead is filled with happiness, and I hope you get everything that you ever wished for. Love you.
Hi Shreya. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. This birthday, of course, has given you a very special gift and lots of happiness. I can't believe from the sporty Shreya, the Shreya who used to play basketball, win all the races, who I used to bunk classes with, today is going to become a gorgeous, beautiful bride. This is really amazing. I'm so happy for you. Wish you all the happiness, all the joy, and always stay blessed for the rest of your life. Happy birthday, Shreya. Bye-bye.
ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਤਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸੱਤਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਜੇ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਜੇ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ हो के लट बोरे जी शराबी हो गए बोरे पी के तुपका तरेड़दा
Hi, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. So we have to say sweet things about you and our friendship, and when it comes to that, I am a person with very little words. So, and the sweet and the salty and the sour things can be discussed privately. I just want to say that I really value our friendship. It's something very special and very deep rooted for me, and I have had the best of my times having you beside me, and I just feel like connection is so blessed to have with someone. And I would also call it like a everyday chuddy buddy, that anything happens in my life, serious, naughty, crazy, I have someone to call to connect with, and that's something really special. Also, I'm so happy that you found Zehen and a love for a lifetime. So wishing you all the luck and the best of future to you.
Happy birthday, Shreya 27. When you'll be watching this video, you'll be turning 27. So all the best. Have a great day ahead.
Have the most beautiful life ahead with Zehen also. Happy birthday, Shreya.
Happy birthday, Shreya. Have a great one. All the best to you, to Zehen. May you both have a great time ahead. That's it. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi Shreya, happy birthday bro. Many many happy returns of the day. Cheers to 8 years of friendship, to all the parties and all the crazy trips from Baddi to Sri Lanka to Goa and many more to come. Happy birthday once again bro.
Happy birthday, my love. Keep smiling, be happy, and I love you. See you.
Happy birthday Shreya.
Happy birthday, Shreya. And also many, many, many congratulations to you on your upcoming big day. May God bless you with all the love, all the happiness. Have lots and lots of fun and enjoy both your days, your birthday and your big day.
Happy birthday Shreya.
Hi Shreya, a very, 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 very happy birthday to you. just have a great day. I always wish you the best. And we've got to meet soon. Bye.
Hi Shreya. I don't think in my entire life there's been anybody who's given me as much grief as you have, but at the same time, matched it with the amount that you've made me feel proud. And I think that's one of the most unique things about you. The, the you know the two things that I can safely say is that you're someone who, once they sort of have clarity on what is it that they want to do, you go with this absolute tenacity and single-minded focus, and it doesn't matter what anybody else says. And more often than not, you achieve it. So I hope you don't lose that ever in your life, and you always have that clarity of whatever your next step is, because I know for a fact that you won't miss your mark, and you will achieve it. And I mean, the first time I actually met you was possibly one of the funniest things that I can remember, because here was this girl who actually woke up, I think 4 or 5 weeks after everyone else did, and had no idea what they were going to do for their final project, and to me seemed like the most clueless of things, and just came to me and said, "Acha, मैं क्या करूँ? बता दो sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा sir," and had this very whiny thing, to the way they spoke, and I thought, what's wrong with this person? But over the next few weeks, you proved me wrong on all those counts. You were whiny still, maybe are, but then the kind of work, the kind of effort that you put in, I mean, it still ranks as one of the best that I had seen. And like I said, I've always believed that you're meant to do great things, and I hope that years down the line, I possibly turn a newspaper or read an article somewhere of the next big thing that you've done. So all the best, and have a very, very, very happy birthday. Bye.
Hey Shreya, happy birthday. It's my pleasure to be connected to you virtually. It's all Ashna's efforts. And of course, I couldn't miss doing it, because you're very special. I'm trying to recall all those fun days we had, some fun days and some serious days. What I can recall, I don't remember much of the foundation days, but I think so. I remember all your seriousness and commitment towards your work. I don't know if you remember, but I do remember your production planning control system assignment, where you were not marked the way you wanted to be marked, and I did the assessment again all over again, and I realized that you deserved better marks. I did all of that not only for the marks, but to be just to a student who deserved it, just with the hope that you would remember to be just to anybody else in your life. So we do all these small things as teachers, and we feel that you should carry forward that same behavior and the same attitude towards others in the society. Now it's getting too serious. I don't mean to make your birthday wishes that serious. I remember you driving, zipping on the road rashly. I was always worried about your driving. I don't know how you're driving now. But within that playful, cheerful Shreya, also there was a lot of seriousness and commitment. It was pleasure talking to you recently from Noida campus, where you were trying to guide my student, and I thought, oh my God, she's really matured, and she's really that responsible person who is managing the business, and she makes so much of sense while speaking and guiding others. I feel very proud of you, Shreya, and God bless you. And how can I forget how you treated me, and how you guided me, and how you were holding my hands, and the great gambler Shreya, yeah, how you were in Sri Lanka, and I think so you're winning all the games out there, and it was fun watching you and I was feeling like a baby there, not knowing how to play those games, and you were my teacher then, teacher for gambling, of course. So you have many sides and highly talented. God bless you, and I will always remember you for all the hard work and commitment, and you are one of the good students I've ever come across. And what would Anwar sir call you? Grover Sahab. Okay. So all the best for your future. Love you. Take care.
Start.
एक मिनट 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Grover. Have a crazy time, and we'll party soon. Take care. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday.
This one is truly special. Stay blessed.
Stay happy.
Love you.
हम तो ऐसे टूटे फूटे से थम थड़म से दिन दहाड़े बैठे बैठे गिर गए मुंह के बल यूं हमने सोचा.
Shreya, you're a beautiful person in and out, and the best thing London gave me is you. There are so many countless memories, and I can't wait to make more. The best thing about you is you take things with so much positivity, and there are so many adventures and so many memories with you that I really can't think of one because there are so many. But happy birthday, I love you. Dedication तो बनता है भाई.
I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday and tell you that I love you. You're one of my favorite people in the world. You make me laugh the way no one else in the world does, and for that I am forever grateful to you. I'm so happy that we got to meet each other in London, and I feel like London was one of the best years of my life because of you. You are a joy to be around, and you just make everyone around you so happy, and that makes me so grateful that I have the pleasure of having you in my life as a friend. I can't wait to celebrate with you soon, and I miss hearing your shitty jokes every single day, and I miss hanging out with you every day. Happy birthday once again, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Shreya. I love you and I miss you so much. And I'm so sorry that I can't be there for your Roka, even though I'm dying to, and you know I tried. But now what can you do because of this stupid virus? I can't tell you how happy I am for you, because finally you found the one and you were waiting for it. You've been through your share of bullshit, honestly. And I'm so glad that, you know, finally you're in such a happy place and you're turning 27. Yet you feel like the baby of the group, you know, such a child. But now if I'm talking about London, I feel like, you know, you've literally been there. You've supported me throughout everything, and I don't think London would have been bearable without you. Honestly, I love London because of the three of you, Pulkit and Gurjot, because you all became my family. We literally became a family over there. And there are such few friendships that actually last even after college. And I feel like ours is gonna last a lifetime. Because you know, like, we've gone months without talking, but when we do, like, literally it's just like nothing changed. And I think that is the beauty. Like, you don't need to talk every day to actually love each other that much.
यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my bestest friend, literally my soul sister, my soulmate, everything. This has been the craziest one so far and the most special. I wish you all the bloody happiness and crazy adventures and everything in the world, obviously with me and Zehen and everybody else also. But thank you so much. We've literally been through it all. It's been a hell of a roller coaster ride. We've been through ups and downs and laughters and cries and relationships and assignments and submissions and everything. Your home is like a home to me. I won't even say second home because I think I've honestly spent more time at yours, if I see, than mine. And I mean, your family is like mine. You guys have been such a big support system to me. Your family knows more secrets about me than my family does. So just thank you for being everything that you have. And I hope I've been able to be the same to you. And I hope I'm able to be the same to you. And just, yeah, I mean, I cannot wait to get into this another crazy phase of life with you and always be by your side because you've always been through mine. And just to let you know, I'm gonna be, oh by the way Zen, this is also for you, I'm gonna be your official third wheeler for life and beyond, and I will be the one who will give you child training and everything that you guys will need, because I will also need a lot of care and love, and I will give all of that and much more to you guys. Love you Shreya, love you so much. And मैं ज़्यादा इमोशनली नहीं कुछ बोलना चाहती थी बिकॉज वैसे ही बहुत कुछ हो चुका है एंड मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत हाइपर हुई और बहुत एक्साइटेड सो लेट्स गेट ड्रंक
Done me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This ain't nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn.
Hi darling, finally it's me. Very happy birthday to you. I know that you were not expecting anything out of today, and you know how I'm dressed, so you know what day it is, and you know when I'm exactly recording it. So, and I was trying my best to give you the surprise, and I hope you like what we tried to put together for you. You know, we just met recently and it just doesn't feel that way. It feels that we've known each other for many months and years, and I just don't want to put a number to it because it just kills the purpose. It just kills the essence, and we share a very strong bond, and we share something very special, and we're in for something very special. And I'm hoping that I'm just standing next to you while you're watching this. Very happy birthday to you, darling, again, and I wish the best for us. May God be with us at all times, and let's enjoy. Take care.